Hello friends, welcome to our channel EnglishTube. In this video, we are going to learn how to write notice for Republic Day celebration in the school. For more such videos, consider subscribing to our channel and hit that bell icon so that you never miss an update from our channel. In the first line, you have to write the name of your school. For example, here I am writing Kinderhouse Public School. In the next line, you have to write notice in bold letters. In the next line, towards the left hand side corner, you have to mention the date on which the notice is published. Here, for example, I am writing 18th January 2023. In the next line, towards the center, you are going to write Republic Day celebration. Next, you have to start with the description part of the notice where you have to elaborate the schedule of the celebration and what else need to be notified to the students. Here, for example, I am writing it is hereby notified that our school is going to organize a Republic Day celebration on 26th January 2023. That is on Thursday. All the children are requested to come to school. We will have a flag hoisting ceremony at 8 a.m. in the morning. We will have our assembly followed by the flag hosting ceremony. We will have a small function of patriotic songs and dances. Interested students can give their names for participation. No books or tiffin boxes are required. Parents need to collect their children by 11 am. For further details, parents will be given a letter informing the details. Next, to the left hand side corner, you are going to write regards principal.